on clouds of tears and laughter. No concept of ever after. Just here, just now. So stay a while and sit with me. I hate this whiskey, but I love your company. And these cigarillos kill our lungs while we kill the time. And when we're done, I'll keep these memories right where they belong. So stay a while and sit with me. I hate this whiskey, but I love your company. And these cigarillos kill our lungs while we kill the time. And when we're done, I'll keep these memories right where they belong. These friendships formed are so much more than we could ever ask for. These friendships formed are so much more than we could ever ask for. And these friendships formed are so much more than we could ever ask for.
Again. You made me forget about school next day. The teachers and the bullies, we make up our own world, anything to hide the truth. You were such a tomboy, I wanted to be just like you. And I'm so proud of who you are, of who you are. Considering where we came from, you've gone so far. You got me into trouble, all those things you did. It was all fun and games back then, when we were still kids. This adult world rots our imagination, and now we all look back to our lost generations. And I'm so proud of who you are, of who you are. Considering where we came from, you've gone so far, you've gone so far, you've gone so far.
left to yourself, it's enough to make your heart cold. No, I love these streets with all of my heart. I can tell you they're not paved with gold. And they'll try to make you feel worthless, try to tell you that you've got no choice. Well, remember one thing, my brothers and sisters, and that is they don't own your voice. Whoa, your life's in your hands if you just dare to claim it. Whoa, life is for living, so let's celebrate it. 'Cause no matter who I am somebody and I'm writing my own pages. And that's worth more to me than a lifetime of your underpaid wages. 'Cause you may think you own me, but you're wrong, and I'm still standing strong. 'Cause I'm somebody's lover and I'm somebody's friend. I'm somebody's son. And don't you forget it!
We're told every day not to bite the hand that feeds, but that very same hand's got you in its grip, constantly tightening its squeeze. To work or to starve is not a choice we have to face, and I will die happy if I can live free, so I won't let this world turn me into its slave.
Whoa, your life's in your hands if you just dare to claim it. Whoa, life is for living, so let's celebrate it. 'Cause no matter who I am somebody and I'm writing my own pages. That's worth more to me than a lifetime of your underpaid wages. 'Cause you may think you owe me, but you're wrong, and I'm still standing strong. 'Cause I'm somebody's lover and I'm somebody's friend. I'm somebody's son. A fucking teenager, and the times you saw the darker side of my behavior, I hope you saw past them. I hope you still see past them. And dear lover, I hope that you know you deserve so much more. Your life's dealt you less than what you could have wished for. I hope you get past it. I know that you'll get past it. 'Cause right now I don't know why, maybe 'cause I'm ashamed. But it seems easier to sing these words than to say them to your face. Dear home, you know who you are, you kept a piece of me. Even though my home is now this city, I knew the bigger part of me had to move on. It doesn't mean that the little part ain't sad to be gone. I know you'll understand, everyone's got regrets and dreams. It was just my time to make mine reality. 'Cause what's the point in dreams, I ask you, if you don't at least try to make them come true? I don't know why, maybe 'cause I'm sing these words than to say them to your face. This song won't change what I regret. But I believe you can have the forgive without the forget. This song won't change what I regret. But I believe you can have the forgive without the forget. And it seems easier to sing these words than to say them to your face. If I came back as a ghost, be there to protect you.
At your door while you slept each and every night.
Let my warm soft glow be your nightlight. If I came back as a ghost, make sure you were happy.
Make sure you had all the love you need.
And leave traces of myself that only you would see. Well, there's no need to worry, 'cause this ghost will be by your side. Your side. We're in no hurry, and we'll take our life in our own time. On time. 'Cause I'm still here with you, though I may be impossible to see. If I came back as a ghost, would you know it was me? Well, I wrote this song to tell you not to be afraid.
To tell you my spirit will be with you for always.
Happily wondering how we'll spend the rest of our days. And if there's life after death, you know that I'll see you there.
'Cause if one thing is true, that is a love lasts forever.
And I can think of no better way to spend eternity than together. Well, there's no need to worry, 'cause this ghost will be by your side. Your side. And we're in no hurry, and we'll take our life in our own time. On time. 'Cause I'm still here with you, though I may be impossible to see. Oh, if I came back as a ghost, would you know it was me?
Sit back, I don't wanna hear a sound. Not for now, not for the rest of the day. I don't have anywhere to go, just gonna bathe in the sun's cloudy glow. Feels like it doesn't come out often in this town, and when it does, I'm never around to enjoy it. Well, this moment is mine. Sit with me and we'll forget time together. There's something they can't take from us. There's something that's there for all of us to share. Seems like we never drift off somewhere, never take the time to sit and stare, to just not care. Don't let your mind get tangled in the mess of the day. But there's a revolution brewing in these thoughts when you're far away. All those ideas to change the world, that's when they'll come through. So keep your head in the clouds, take back the time they stole from you. To live for each other, to live for ourselves. You'll remember, everything's gonna be fine. To live for each other, to live for ourselves. You'll remember, everything's gonna be fine. To live for each other, to live for ourselves. You'll remember, everything's gonna be fine. Oh my God, you quit your job with nowhere else to go. I've got a hunch about the credit crunch, employability is low. And now what will you do? You haven't got a clue. What a waste of time. No safety net, you fly right into debt. From the bottom of the ladder you have to climb. But I've got chills that multiplying, and now my life can begin. 'Cause for now I'm free from the mess you're in. No more commuting or useless computing. No more chasing my tail in the daily rat race. And if you will live, the sky's the limit. I'll fly right into space.